This delicious crab puffs recipe is a delicious appetizer my grandmother used to make every holiday season. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. Use a large cup to cut circles into sandwich bread and remove the crusts. Use your fingers or a rolling pin to flatten out the circles of bread, and right away brush them with a little bit of melted butter. Use your fingers to gently press them into muffin tins, working as fast as possible, that way your bread won't dry up and it won't crack when you place them in the muffin tin. Place the prepared bread cups into your preheated oven and bake for 5 minutes until lightly toasted. To make the crab filling, you're going to start by making a bechamel sauce. So for the roux, melt down the butter and then whisk in the flour. Whisk continuously until the roux thickens up and cook it on simmer for about a minute. Slowly pour in half of the milk while whisking, and when the sauce comes back together, pour in the rest of the milk. When the bechamel sauce comes back to a simmer and thickens up, it should coat the back of the spatula. Remove the bechamel from the heat, and then add in your chopped onions, your freshly chopped parsley, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and then zest in your lemon. Add in your grated cheese, some Old Bay seasoning, and then your drained cans of crab. Stir everything together until it starts to melt and come together, and then you're ready to assemble your crab puffs. With a spoon, divide the mixture into the 24 toasted bread cups, and then into the oven they go for 15 to 20 minutes until nice and golden brown. Remove from the oven and let them rest for 15 to 20 minutes before serving on a platter with freshly chopped parsley. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.